So the logic model does not evaluate impact, but the logic model will, especially if it's grounded in evidence, then it indicates the potential for likelihood of impact. What the logic model can also help you do is start identifying what metrics you should be collecting in your product. So at a future time, you will be able to evaluate it using other methods. The outputs, when we work with ed tech, I tend to focus on the data, not
Okay.
outputs in the sense of how we would do it in a program evaluation setup.
Yes.
So instead of just looking at what, very similar in concept, in program evaluation, when you look at outputs, you're basically saying what the resulting behavior has been. When we're writing up the logic model for ed tech products, you tend to focus on what is the data that's collected as a result of user behavior. And then the evaluation of it is a separate story altogether. Once you know what data you can collect to justify or to provide evidence of the logic model flowing as expected, that's when we can start monitoring that impact using additional analysis. So logic model would be a step one. The step two would be to use the data that you've identified as necessary to then move into running analysis.